Hi guys, I'm Chris Young. Behind the camera we have Dave Leneff, and we are at our new shop here in Elk Grove Village. We are very close to where we started out. We're only about 5 minutes down the road, so we're only about 15 minutes from O'Hare. Behind us, we'll show you in another video, but we have our new demo room and we have the ability to do virtual demos. So if we can do any type of demo on an X-ray checkwear or metal detector, let us know and we're glad to show you what we can do. So right now we're in the back in our assembly area, and we are in the back of a 7534. First off, you can see everything is very easy to access. One thing I'll point out is, for instance, on all the cabling, we do label the cabling on both the terminal side and the wire side. So you never really have to figure out where a wire goes. They're both labeled so you can quickly put them back together. Everything in here is pretty much made by Anritsu. So you'll notice this is our reject control board made by Anritsu. This is our standard IOs. We make this as well. These same IOs you can get in our X-ray and our checkwear and our metal detector. So everything is meant to be modular, which is great. So you could always add this right when you order the unit, or you could add it in the field after you've already purchased it. So on this system, it comes complete. This just allows you to talk to your MES system, as an example, Red Zone. We have two options that you can buy, the OPC UA, which you're looking at now, or an Ethernet IP gateway. Just allows you to have more connectivity options for your equipment. Then the last item kind of in here, since we're going through them all, this is our standard IO board. So all of the XR75s use standard parts, so it doesn't matter what model XR75 you buy, it'll have the same exact IO. In fact, it's the same hardware throughout all of our platform, which just makes it great. Less items to stock, less items to maintain in your inventory. One other nice thing on this system is that you'll see this cooler. This is a completely passive cooler. It's actually a separate chamber. So this is a 2-chamber system. We have air going in and out through this top sealed section. Then the bottom section with all the electronics is completely sealed to outside air. And that really completes the tour of our XR7534. Again, to learn more, you can always visit us through our virtual demo or online. You can visit us here in Elk Grove Village, and we also have a demo van. Each demo van has the XR75 on it and an SSV M6 combo. Thank you.